Hey you guys, this is my second week making my fish tea resurrection soup. It is so delicious. I had to use a bigger pot. I got more fish. I used grouper and salmon this time. I used more vegetable. Instead of callaloo this time, I used my bok choy, snap peas. I got my yellow yam. I got my carrots, plum tomatoes, bell pepper, red onion, scallion. Let me stir it up a little bit for you so you can try to see some of that. You can go below to get the ingredients. You can go below and get the ingredients, and I will tell you in more detail how I made it. But this is so delicious. I am on my journey with my fixed drops, and it is making me want to eat healthier. But whether you change your diet or not, the fixed drops work. But, I'm just, I got my mojo back. And, yes, I want to keep losing these inches and pounds. All right. So you guys follow me and follow my journey. And let's take it to the top. Bye-bye.